Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is 102nd International Day of Cooperatives. Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation Shri Amit Shah will address Sehkar Se Samriddhi Conference on the occasion of 102nd International Day of Cooperatives in Gandhinagar, Gujarat on Saturday, 6th July 2024. The Ministry of Cooperation is organizing Sehkar Se Samriddhi Conference on this day to mark the celebration of International Day of Cooperatives 2024. The International Day of Cooperatives is an annual celebration of the cooperative movement across the world. It has been observed annually on the first Saturday of July since 1923 by the International Cooperative Alliance. Coincidentally, the 6th of July is also the third foundation day of the Ministry of Cooperation. The theme for the 102nd International Cooperative Day is Cooperatives Build a Better Future for All. At the Sehkar Se Samriddhi Conference, the Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation will launch the scheme for 50% assistance on the purchase of nano-fertilizers by the farmers under the AGR2 scheme. The Union Minister of Cooperation will also launch Bharat Organic Atta produced by the National Cooperative Organics Limited. Now moving on to significance of the conference. The conference holds significance for the fact that the year 2025 was declared as the International Year of Cooperatives by the United Nations General Assembly last month. Now let's discuss about AGR2 scheme. AGR2 scheme is a farm mechanization scheme for farmers of Gujarat. It is a 100% state-sponsored scheme. Any farmer of the state other than SC or ST is eligible under this scheme. Now is the time to test your knowledge. Recently, at which place Sehkar Se Samriddhi Conference on the occasion of the 102nd International Day of Cooperatives has been held? New Delhi, Gandhinagar, Lucknow or Varanasi? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.